idea. I thought it was a real good parable to give. Uh, so, whenever you're in need of help, like everyone will be at some point in time in their life in some way or another, if people are around you and they often want to receive something from you and they don't want to help you in return, such as if somebody's driving your car, but you don't never have time to clean it, and they're always driving it, and they have ample time, if a person like that just sits back and drive your car and look at the condition that it's in, knowing that you don't have time, knowing your situation, this is just an example. If they don't, they just watch you drown, so to speak. I thought about it because I've been in situations where I see people need help and I help them. I don't just let them drown. That's the terminology I'm going to use. So I've seen a lot of people where I'm in a situation, they allow me to drown. So, say the situation I gave with the car, they're always driving it, they always want to ride, and they can't help you when it comes to anything, when it comes to it. That's the type of person that watch you drown, they won't help you clean nothing out, they won't throw nothing towards nothing, but they always willing to use. So, you know what I'm saying? Say it does need cleaning out, and the person be like, most people who have a nonchalant attitude, they'll be like, well, I didn't do it. I didn't do that to your car. Okay. Say if someone is drowning, which in a situation where you need help, you're drowning. Whenever you need help, say it's a person is drowning, would you look at a person and say, well, I didn't put you in that water. I didn't tell you couldn't swim. That's kind of the same thing. The other situation when it comes to the water and stuff, is way different, but it's the same mindset. You know what I'm saying? If you can't help me while I'm drowning, you can't throw me a life jacket, then what do I need you around me for? If you're just going to attach weights to the bottom of my feet. So be careful about people that let you drown. And I will say that, a lot of these people, forgive them because they don't know what they're doing. You know what I'm saying? They don't know. So we can still enjoy these people and let these people be part of our lives, but stand on your own. Get it to a point where you don't need nobody help, so they won't allow you to drown. Learn how to swim out here. Learn how to swim out here around these sharks, because they won't throw you a life jacket. That's the terminology in the parable I'm gonna use. I appreciate y'all for viewing. Much love, respect, hope, and peace. Gladly chosen, keeping them woken, doing a little bit exposing and shining light. So subscribe and like the channel if you haven't already. And I appreciate y'all for viewing.